Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning into this channel. Guys, we are talking about the queen. Guess who is coming guys with the queen? It's Brenda Ncoli. She will portray a character of Noma Princess Noma Matrikiza, the wife of a construction entrepreneur who comes with a huge baggage and a multi-million rand debt she owes a Harriet. Guys, Ncoli comments, this is my first telenovela. I'm excited and still pinching myself. The best way to put it is to say that the gods have chosen to favor me. I will put my gratitude into action by giving the quality work. I got my first SAFTA from my role in Rockville, where I work with Ferguson Film. Once again, I'm back with them. I've always acknowledged the big role they have played in my career and how they have treated me. I'm turning 40 and I just want to live my best life, and they have granted me that opportunity. I can't thank them enough, along with the channel Mzansi Magic. I'm also indebted to South African audience that have never forgotten about me when I was not even on any production. They continued to support me. I appreciate you guys. So guys, it's gonna be lit next season of The Queen. Imagine Brenda Ncoli and Petronella, guys. Just imagine those two. If you're excited, leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.